So we already got a couple of them right in here. They aren't the biggest bluegill ever, but they're something. And this is pretty much if you don't know how to. So first you gotta catch the fish, pretty easy. Then you gotta make sure they're dead. I know they're dead because I'm like that. And so what you gotta do is you gotta stab them right here. You can right after you kill it, but that basically makes them bleed out and they taste better that way. Okay? So you just cut it. You don't have to really cut it that much, or you can just stab it like that. Then you wanna, if you want to scale them, then you can. That way you get just a little bit more meat. And you want to take the spoon, start from the tail, and just go like that. This is obviously just, they do make scalers specifically for scaling the fish. It's probably easier, but then you'd have to buy a scaler. But I'm broke, so I just use a spoon. Once you're done scaling it, and see how it's bleeding out there? Kinda, maybe. I don't know if you can see it. But, then you... Okay, after that, you make a cut right behind the dorsal fin. Right there. About a finger width away from the dorsal, or the side fin. I don't know what it's called. I was gonna say dorsal fin. Then you just make a cut. You can make it all the way through. This knife isn't very sharp. Don't cut towards yourself. I'm a trained professional. Okay, there we go. Now I can.
Maybe. You do it?
Yep, just there. Make a cut. You don't have to make a cut, I guess. But now, you start from the tail. And you cut towards the head. Then, once you get it started, if you got a fillet knife or just a sharp knife, I don't know where my fillet knife is, so I just got a kitchen knife. You just lift it up, give it a little pressure. Then, once you get to here, shoot, it's kind of hard to see, but once you can kind of see an opening, that means you're getting close or you've already hit the ribs. And the ribs, if you don't want any bones, then you don't cut through the ribs. But if you don't really care about bones, then, if you care about bones, then don't cut through the ribs. Just get it nice and easy, just like that, around. But if you don't care about bones, then just go straight through. So you just rub the mayonnaise on the fillet of the bluegill or whatever it is, because that's the hot burner. You put it on the hot burner. If you don't know how to use a microwave, just ask your mom. She'll probably know. This is not a microwave, buddy. This is a microwave, an oven, I mean. Just ask your mom. She'll probably know. You don't have a mom? You're SOL, I guess. But then you put that in, and then once we get the oil back, we'll come back. When it starts flaking off little pieces, or when it gets really tender, that when you grab it or push on it, it breaks, that's how you know when it's done. Just like that. same thing.
I'm the youngest person to ever win Master Chef.
The heck is a Master Chef?
You know what Master Chef is?
No.
The show Golden Ramsay does.
Oh yeah, I'd easily beat him into. And this is how you take it off. Like, shoot. Don't
Good
get.
job, bro.
Where do I put it? On the plate?
Yes.
And don't get burnt by the butter and stuff flying everywhere once you take it off. So and then, after you get it all done, you put lime juice or lemon juice. We don't have any lemon juice. And you just put it on there. Just like that. I think. And then it should look like a soup or a swamp on your plate. And this is the seasoning that we used. Dirty swamp. It's good. Kind of spicy, but it's good. Then lastly, you just eat it and enjoy. Have a good rest of your day or night.
I'm on it.
Sick outro music, turn on.